Hey guys, in this video we will be creating a server in Go language using Visual Studio Code. So for that in prerequisite we will need extension named Go. So I have searched Go over here and this is the extension which I have already installed. You need to install if this extension is not there. So in this folder I will initiate a Go project using go mod init and with the path of the server. So go mod file has been created. So I'll create main.go file. In main.go file, we need to mention a package main. Now we will need main function. Now the real video starts. Now to create a server, we will need to import a package named HTTP. So I'll import it. It's a net slash HTTP. Now, whenever we create a server, we need to have some path and we need to have a port configuration. So now, how can we create a paths? How can we create a port configuration? So for that, VS Code help us. So for that, I will go on our package. We'll get this documentation. We need to go at the bottom, and there we need to click on follow link. I will open this link. Now here you can see we want to create a server, so I create on servers and here you find some code. So the code we will be using is this one where we have handle functions and which handling a path. So I will copy this and I will put this inside our file. So basically what this handler function does is whenever it go on bar path, it will print hello with the path. Okay, and now we need to have port configuration. So I will go in same browser and there you will see we have this http listen and serve. This is nothing but the port listener which will listen to the 8080. So I will add this here. So I will remove the extra bracket. Now here you see some part got highlighted. It is got highlighted because it want fmt package, so you can click on quick fix. It will add import of fmt and this error goes. Then we can do same with html. Okay, so now our code looks clean, so we can save this and we can run this file and we can visit this bar path. So it is stopped over there. That means we can open our browser and we'll execute this path with this port 8080. So it would be localhost 8080 bar, and here we are. So we have this hello and slash bar over there. This is URL path is nothing but the bar, so it got appended over here. So this is how it is. This is the simple path we have created. Now our next concerns are like how can we get the name of the request, like is it a get request or post request, and what these things are. Okay, so to understand this, for example, we don't know how we get this URL over here, how we get this path over here. So for that, we know that it is coming from the R and R is coming from this request. So if you hover over there, you will find what this request is made up of. Basically, it is a struct. So we can get access to the method property. Okay, method property, URL property, then other proto properties, and other properties also. Now the thing is like, so for example, we want to specify, we want to execute this method only for get request. So we can use if, and in this if, what we can do is from R we get the method. Okay, how we get this method? As I already show, whenever you hover on request, you see instruct. We have already method parameter over there. So we'll check if this method is get, then and then only we want to print this, and it will work if you go on browser, since every browser request is the get request. So this is how you can find out the configuration. For example, what happens if this HTTP server got into some error, some problem. So for that we need to understand the error. So if you hover on listen and serve method, and you will find out all this documentation. If you click over here and if you open this link on browser, you'll find out that this listen and serve return error only. So what we can do is like we can get error, and we can check if error is not equal to nil. Then what we can do, we can stop this running. For that we can use panic, and in this panic we can pass this error. So this would be the error handling over there. We can create a multiple path. So for that what you can do is like you can copy this function, paste it, but this time it's for home, let's say. Okay, function would be the same. Now let's say we want to display other message. Before that, if you want to understand what this fprintf does, it basically write your output inside some stream. So this w is nothing but the stream for response writer. So here it is. So this is the w. Inside that we are writing a message. We can directly write the message like in home route. Okay, now we can take for this home. So I will run this file again on browser. If I write down home over here, and in home route, this is what we have configured inside here. So this is how you can create a server. It is very easy.